Sonic Hero 64 update. Alright. This is a heads up to favorite shows. I've actually said this in my newest video, which won't be newest once this is uploaded. If you have a top 5, you message or comment me what they are. And once I have 5, I'll put them all together. It'll be like a special video I'm trying to do, so I need at least 5 people with their list of top 5 favorite shows. And whichever show is most spoken, we'll actually have a special video with the Spartan remix added to it. So yeah. Also, yeah, that's really it for this one. The next video is gonna be, I was gonna do this next video differently, but I actually don't have the time today, so yeah. Next video. Stay tuned.